Monday, Thursday. As we enter the Paschal Triduum, we reflect on Jesus' act of washing of the feet of his disciples. We may reflect on the virtue of humility. Jesus is the Master who washes the feet of his disciples. But there is more to this loving act of Jesus. Jesus' act is profoundly connected with the laying down of his life. Jesus' putting off and putting on of his garment symbolize the giving up and taking up of Jesus' life. No one can take the life of Jesus from him. Jesus himself gives it up. Jesus has made a decision. He has decided to lay down his life for you and me because of his great love for us. Please like and subscribe.